guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so let's get right into it. So today I'm coming to show you guys how to create this really simple protective style that you guys can try out if you're having a bad hair day. So right now I'm just spraying my hair with a bit of water which I have in a spray bottle, and I'm just making sure that I'm getting all the sides of my hair so that there's no side which is left dry. So now I'm taking my favorite conditioner. As you guys all know, I love my Cantu leave-in, and I'm just making sure that I'm moisturizing my hair. I'm not trying to use too much. I'm just putting a bit of it in all around my hair. So right now I'm also just detangling my hair. I had a few knots in my hair, so I'm just trying to get those out before I continue with the style. Okay, so now I'm taking my wide tooth comb, and what I'm doing is I'm just fluffing out the ends of my hair. I'm not trying to like properly comb my hair, but I'm just trying to stretch it out a bit. So you start from the tips and you pull away with the comb. So I'm taking the front section of my hair and I'm just twisting it into a chunky twist. And mind you, this doesn't have to be a neat hairstyle, so you don't really have to section your hair before twisting it. You can just start right away. So I've done the first one and I'm moving on to the second one. Okay, so now I'm done twisting up my hair, and I'm moving on by using a piece of kinky hair that I had, and I learned this trick from glowkinks on Instagram. I'm going to put her handle down below so that you guys can check out her page. But I'm just spraying this kinky wig with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to follow up with a little bit of my Cantu leave-in just so that it doesn't tag onto my edges. So now I'm coming to use this curling custard that I got from Cocoblacknaturals, and it's really good for giving you a defined curl. But then in this instance I'm using it as a gel because as I explained in my previous video, this curling custard has a gel-like consistency, and it's really good in smoothing out your edges, and as well as the fact that I'm coming to put my hair up, it's going to help to slip, or it's going to give me easy slip, when I'm pushing up my hair. So this is just another way that you can use the curling custard if you want to try something new. I'm taking my bobby pin and I'm just securing it at the back. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm just going to try and retwist the hair so that I get the desired size I want. And then I'm just going to tuck it at the back of my head, as you guys will see. So then I'm just securing that twist with the bobby pin, and I'm going to do the same for all the sides. So what you do with the back is that you try and flip it over so that you secure it in the middle of your head. I wasn't able to show that part, but I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now I'm done, and I'm using this edge control that I got from Cocoblacknaturals. It's called a frizzy edge control. And guys, you guys know that I love my Gorilla Snots, but this actually works really good. I use this in the morning, and throughout the whole day my edges were still intact. Like, I'm not even kidding. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting a bit on my edges before I get my toothbrush, and I'll start laying them. So I'm taking my scarf and I'm going to use that to tie my edges, and I'm going to leave this on for like 15 minutes, then I'll come back and show you guys the result.